Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jen and this is my baby girl, and we are all complete here right now, so I feel like we should pop straight in. The previous video I recorded was also an Ed Sheeran cover, so I mean we're getting into these now. Non-specific, but just coincidence. So we are back at Cakra Khan, and he has a very special voice, a very hoarse voice, naturally, which is just chilling in that sense. So I decided it's time to do another video on him. Last time we did Skyscraper by Demi Lovato, and yeah, just check that out whilst you're here. In the meantime, we're going to react to the version Make It Rain Ed Sheeran cover. So yeah, let's see what he's gonna bring us. I finally figured out what that metal thing is in the corner also from the video, and the ceiling is sound blockage based on the comments. So I feel like we should definitely go check that out. Baby is getting super active now. She's 7 months old, so there's a lot happening here at the same time. But as a mom, we can multitask this, I feel like. So yeah, let's just hop into this video, make an analysis, and see if we are gonna get wowed. Which I probably don't think is gonna be an issue with this man. He will do that without a problem. So let's pop on the headset and see.
So this next song, actually this is one of my favorite songs as well. It's called Make It Rain. There's Ed Sheeran version or the original one for fans, if I'm not mistaken. Jadi lagu ini benar-benar kalau kalian dengerin aslinya sih, udah. Saya coba yang terbaik aja. I try my best, and I hope you enjoy it. If you know this song, please sing along with me, even though I'm not there. Just sing with me. When the sins of my father weigh down in my soul, and the pains of my mother will not let me go. Well, I know that there comes fire from the sky to refine the purest of kings. Even though I know this fire brings me pain, even so, just the same, sing it. Make it rain, make it rain, oh make it rain, yeah, sing with me.
Okay, this is what I mean with the hoarseness that he has. He turns the song into something completely different than the original just by his tone. And I love it. And it's a bit jazzy, but that fits him actually really good. It's so nice.
Make it rain, make it rain. Oh, the sea needs the water before it grows out of the ground, but it just keeps on getting hard, and hunger more profound.
I don't know if you guys ever noticed the lyrics of this song, but it addresses some of the world's issues. Like we're having droughts in places now that are for years on end, food issues, etc. And it's all a bit connected to like climate change. And I love that song, that song addresses that, basically.
Well, I know that they can count tears from the eye, but they may as well be in vain. And even though I know these tears come with pain, even so, just as I am, hey, make it rain down, Lord, make it rain, make it rain, make it rain down on me. Just make it rain, make it rain. Make it rain. When the seas are full of water, stops by the shore, just like the reaches of grandeur. No, 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 they never reach the port. Never. And let the clouds fill with thunderous applause, and let lightning be the veins, and fill the sky with all that they can draw. When it's time to make a change,
so bad. Oh, in the middle of it. He's jamming. I can tell he loves this song. He's really getting into it, and he's really just enjoying it. And it also brings a message, which is just so fantastic.
make it rain, make it rain, make it rain. Say it loud. Oh, make it rain down on me, Lord, make it rain. Yeah. Make it rain, make it rain down on me, Lord, make it rain, make it rain, make it rain, make it rain down on me, Lord, make it rain. Make it rain, make it rain, make it rain. If you listen to me, please sing this part. Come on, one more time. Make it rain, make it rain,
Make it rain, make it rain.
yeah. Thank you. Cheers.
Okay, I love that he's just like, oh, come on, people, get into it, join in. And it's just such a great atmosphere to watch. that you are actually wanting to sing along. The reason I'm not singing along is because I'm having I think a cold with a coughing, and my voice is just completely shattered. So yeah, I'm not contributing anything right now. Otherwise I would have, but I feel like if I start singing, I will start coughing, and then, you know, I'm coming with a ton of excuses right now, but it's true. Other than that, I love what he did with it. Great energy, and it feels so jazzy in a way. So yeah, I really enjoyed that. I hope you guys did too, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I see you guys in the next video. I will definitely do more of Cakra Khan, and I love how he did like this tiny message in the beginning, also in English and in I think it's Indonesian what he did. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed that. And don't forget, I'll see you soon. Merry Christmas, everyone. And goodbye.